In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google site and integrate a payment method to efficiently manage online transactions. If you've got something to sell, or perhaps you're setting up a donation portal, using Google Sites paired with a simple payment tool is notably practical. Let's begin our journey by navigating to Google Sites. Open your web browser and guide it to Google Sites. This platform is a user-friendly tool by Google that allows you to create websites effortlessly. Whether you're tech-savvy or just starting, Google Sites makes designing a professional-looking site quite accessible. Once you're on Google Sites, you can kick off your project by selecting a template that you feel suits your purpose best, or if you prefer, start from scratch with a blank slate. Now let's talk about accepting payments on your site. This can open avenues for smoother transactions right on your platform. Head over to elfsight.com, which offers a variety of handy widgets. In the search bar on Elfsight, type in the specific payment method you want to integrate. Let's use PayPal for our example. This is because PayPal stands as one of the most widely recognized and trusted online payment solutions. Upon searching, you'll find the PayPal button option ready to customize. You'll need to configure a few details here to make the payment button work correctly. Input the amount you wish to set, choose the currency, and fill in your PayPal business email. After carefully setting up these basic details, click on the Publish button to generate a code. This code is the bridge that connects your Google site to PayPal. The next step is incorporating this onto your Google site. Return to your Google site and locate the Insert tab, typically found on the right panel. Click on it and then select the Embed option, followed by Embed Code. Now simply paste the code you copied from Elfsight into the text box and click Insert. This action places your newly created PayPal payment button right onto your web page. Google Sites should automatically adjust the layout to make your payment button appear seamless and ready to use. And with that, you're done. You've just embedded a fully functional payment option onto your Google site, creating a channel for easy transactions or contributions. Whether you're using this for business or personal projects, integrating a payment system like PayPal simplifies the process for both you and your site's visitors. Remember, the advantage of Google Sites coupled with an Elfsight widget is the simplicity and reliability it brings, making digital payments straightforward. From here, explore more widgets or enhancements to make your site even more robust. I hope you found this guide helpful and inspiring for your web project.